Good day, team. A colleague recommended Vered Corrigan, and I've been studying up on her work. I just reviewed a podcast that she did with Susan Britton, and they were talking about how leaders can help their teams navigate transition more effectively. And I think what's so compelling for me is this is about the feeling side of the equation, and that is a part of my game that I need to boost. I'm more of a pound through gritted teeth type of a interpersonal style, and somewhat leadership style. So Susan has this 3 C's that she's unpacking: compassion, curiosity, and creation, on how to get to that transition. And I love this in compassion. She says, recognize the fear that is a natural biological response to something that is new and different. Take a moment to simply observe and how that fear manifests in your body, such as through accelerated heart rate or sweaty palms. And then I love the recommendation that she has here, which is breathing. And I'm always a big fan of, breathing on a daily basis, and deep breathing and intentional breathing like you find in meditation and things of that nature. So anyway, to have this as a tool to use was very powerful. And then obviously the curiosity, finding out why those feelings are coming up in you. And then the last C was creation, right? Ask yourself what you can do to manage any risks that you're facing and start creating a solution. So anyway, very practical steps that are on the feeling side of the equation. Hope you guys are having a great day.